Investing in property advice for beginners.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so the two properties that I don't own, I created a trust.
Yes.
I'm a member of that trust.
Yes.
My mother and my sister are signatories.
Yes.
And my daughters are the beneficiaries.
Yes.
So the properties are on the name of the trust already.
Yes.
Now, the other property that I'm still paying for is on my name, name, Tombi. Now, because before I bought the second one, I thought, let the trust buy it from me with the remaining balance of the bond and not the retail value. Then I can own it for free, then I don't owe the bank. But I thought, okay, I'm limiting myself here. I won't have capital anymore. Let me buy a new one and still try and pay that one that I'm still owing. Now, you are saying I can use the trust to buy this one on my name.
Yes. My advice to you, if you set up a trust, now in South Africa, a trust is treated like a person. Your tax on the trust is 40%. Now, your tax now on the legal entity is now 27%. It was 28%, they dropped it. They make our life better every single day. Right? Because
we put that on the trust 40%.
Yes.
On it.
For tax. There's a legal on the legal entity, PTY, they don't have CCs anymore, right? It's 27%. Remember, it was 28%. And then now they've dropped it. Why? Because they want to make our life better so that we can go help more people. The more people you help, the better your life is. The bigger the responsibilities, the better your life is. This is how it runs. It's basic principles. You must set up a company.
I do have.
Run it properly. The financials must make sense.
And all that.
Everything must work properly. You take the company's financials and then you go and you say you buy the property. Remember, the property is already paying that company because you have a rent to buy agreement with the company. Right? So the bank is going to ask you, how is the company going to pay? You said, but this company has been paying this person already. Because the company rented this business from me 3 years ago. And every year the company pays. Every month the company is paying the bond.
So I must make my company to pay the rental amount?
Yes, because you see, it's like, let's put it for example, you've got a tenant, right? Your tenant pays you rent. You're a company. Your tenant pays you rent, you pay the bank. So you, the company, now move yourself away from there and put a name, Tombi and Association, Tombi and Kids, whatever name that you like. And that Tombi and Kids collects that money. But Tombi and Kids owes in Tombi. So when they collect the money, they pay in Tombi. You understand?
I get you.
You understand? Now, I don't want to complicate this. But when you run your tax report, you will be in a better position in Tombi and Kids and in Tombi. Because the interest the bank is charging against in Tombi, the expenses is being charged against in Tombi and Kids. Right? So the taxman is giving you double. But that's a conversation for another day.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.